Hello family, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to come up with a nice simple ponytail half weave style that you can use to do a ponytail style, or you can use it to do a half up half down. So if you're interested to see how I come up with this, keep watching this video to the end guys, and don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I'm all done with the quick weave ponytail. I'm going to be showing you some styles that I'm going to be using to style this on my hair. So watch out for my next video on my channel if you want to see how I'm using this. After this, I'm going to just cut off the excess lace and add some pins on it, so you see it on the next video when I'm styling it on my hair. This is how it's looking, guys. Don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Share this with your friends and family, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.